Sussex as a county is 62% classed as rural or super rural, and so theft from our farmers and other businesses is an increasing problem. It's something that Sussex Police are very alive to, and we certainly have to keep on top of.
It's had a much bigger impact on our communities than I think most people really realise. And so that has a real knock-on impact for farmers and their work, and that has a knock-on impact on the local economy and then on the consumer at the end of the day as well.
The quad bikes for shepherds and the like, they're using a quad bike as a tool of work. It's like losing a thumb. Timeliness is critical in our job now, as weather windows seem to be shorter and shorter. So to have something that you rely on stolen is serious.
SelectaDNA, what I really like about it is the fact that it marks the equipment so effectively. If it's stolen and the police then find the stolen property, they can actually trace it back if it's been marked with the DNA.
We've been working with SelectaDNA for a number of years now. We are the only people in the world to have trained dogs to search for this forensic marker product.
DNA Search Dog, it's something that only we can do. We're the only forensic marking company in the world that can do this. You could take that dog into a farm or a scrapyard or a car boot sale. You can find the item and you can find it very quickly.
A big drive with SelectaDNA and that 1,000 kits that we're putting out there, we want to try and get them across all our farms as quickly as possible, and we're really hoping that will lead to a reduction in the number of reports of theft and burglaries from farms.
If everybody knows that their equipment is covered with SelectaDNA, ring fences us as farmers really, and the more we do it, the more it's got to be to our benefit.
The signage is the thing that stops the crime happening. It's the thing that pushes people away. The stickers on the item as having two very different messages to two very different groups of people. To the thieves, it's don't touch me, I'm a pain. And to the police, it's look at me, get a UV light on me, you will find my owner, and that will take this thing back to the owner.